terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Question 1. Consider about the India State of Forest Report, ISFR, 2021. 1. There has been an increase in the forest cover across the country as compared to ISFR 2019. 2. India State of Forest Report, ISFR, is an annual publication of Forest Survey of India. 3. This report has for the first time assessed forest cover in tiger reserves, tiger corridors and the Gir forest which houses the Asiatic lion. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2 only. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding seaweed. 1. Seaweed is the primitive, marine non-flowering marine fungi with root, stem and leaves. 2. Budget 2021 had proposed a multi-purpose seaweed park to be set up in Tamil Nadu. 3. Seaweed is used for medication, nutrition as well as bio-indicator. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. In the context of corals, consider the following statements. 1. Coral Triangle is located in Indian Ocean consisting of Maldives, Mauritius, Madagascar, Comoros and other nearby islands. 2. Corals help to provide insights on the patterns of the onset and withdrawal of Indian monsoons. 3. Global Coral Reef Research and Development Accelerator Platform is an NGO by activists established for the protection of corals worldwide. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding algal bloom found in the aquatic system around the world. 1. Algal bloom can be caused by anthropogenic activities as well as by natural conditions. 2. Algal blooms are more likely to occur in the cold regions of the world. 3. Blue-green algae blooms occur due to agricultural and urban runoff in the aquatic system. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding Seabed 2030 project. 1. The Seabed 2030 project is a collaborative project between the Nippon Foundation of Japan and the General Bathymetric Chart of the Oceans, GEPCO. 2. The project aims to collect bathymetric data of the ocean floor for restricted use by the government of Japan. 3. The project can help in understanding ocean circulation, tides and biological hotspots. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 6. With reference to ban on captivity and conservation of dolphins, consider the following statements. 1. Cetaceans, including whales, dolphins and porpoises, are known to be highly intelligent animals and captivity alters their behavior and causes extreme distress. 2. Recently, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change announced that 5th October will be celebrated as National Dolphin Day. 3. Under conservation efforts, Project Dolphin is aimed at conserving the freshwater dolphins only. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. With reference to the forest ecosystem, consider the following. 1. It includes a complex assemblage of different kinds of biotic communities. 2. On the basis of soil and climate only, the distribution of trees is determined. 3. It has been classified into 3 major categories, namely boreal forests, temperate forest and tropical forest. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. With reference to the coastal ecosystem, consider the following statements. 1. The coastal ecosystems occur where the land meets the sea, and that includes only mangrove forest and coral reefs. 2. The Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services has carried out coastal vulnerability assessments for the entire Indian coast at state level. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Himalayan region. 1. The Indian Himalayan region is spread across 13 Indian states' union territories. 2. Glaciers of the Himalayas, climate change, black carbon, and regional resilience is a report released by the IUCN. 3. The Mission Butterfly is related to the Nainital town of Uttarakhand state. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding wetlands management in India. 1. The Wetlands, Conservation and Management Rules 2017 define wetlands as area of marsh, fen, peatland and all paddy fields as well as river channels. 2. National Wetland Inventory and Assessment is compiled by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.